diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach tayo
sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, tumilay, oh.
Pwedeng magsalita lang muna.
Hello. Hello, meron?
Sige ba?
Meron. Pero parang,
Medyo sabog?
parang sabog.
First game of our Season 2 season opener. NU High School versus FEU Diliman. Kami yung mga kasama. Sa aking tabi, si Aaron D. At ako naman, si Miggy C. Sa aming piling, di ka magsisisi.
Good morning, Miggy, and good morning to all the viewers of the Velvet D-League. Magandang matchup to para sa atin ngayon. Two powerhouses from the UAAP, Miggy.
Ito yung dalawang teams na for the recent memory, nagiging successful yung kanilang high school program.
Oo naman, kita mo naman yung mga na-produce nilang talents. Coming out from high school into the college rank, sobrang daming na-produce ng FEU Juniors tsaka NU Juniors na to.
At some point nga yung FEU Diliman, tinatawag silang mga factory ng guards. We know na ang dami nilang mga na-produce na very talented guards from their school.
Yeah, and one of the guys I actually want to mention is itong si CP Miranda ng FEU team. I was actually able to train with him dati nung pandemic. Sobrang liit pa nitong batang to. Pero look at him now, ang laki na niya. I believe he's on the bench right now. Pero mamaya makikita niyo yan. Anak ni Coach Denok yan of FEU College.
Magpapatuloy yung lineage ng Miranda in FEU. And we're hoping to see him play in this season, in this game rather. Pero as of the moment, he will be sitting and observing through the bench. Hello, hello. Okay, so we are back. Ito yung ating season opener ng Velvet D-League. FEU versus NU. Kasama nyo kami, Miggy C at si Aaron D sa aking tabi.
Ang ganda naman ng pasa nun, Miggy. Nakita mo yun?
A beautiful passing coming from FEU. They're up in the lead, 5-3 in our score. In the first quarter, as susubok ng tres, magmimentes for NU. Okay, so as FEU with the possession, Pascual, the jumper, won't fall. Rebound Tolentino. Itong si Tolentino, Aiden Tolentino, kapatid niya si Arvin Tolentino, who had recently won a gold medal in the Asian Games.
And that's a lot of big shoes to fill for him kasi si Arvin Tolentino, isa yan sa mga stars ng PBA. Tsaka Gilas, recently actually, nag-score lang siya ng 35 points. If I'm not mistaken, sa PBA.
35 points lang naman, no?
Oo,
No big deal, no big deal. Kayang-kaya ni Aaron diyan, di ba?
So there's a lot of expectations for a kid like that, itong si Tolentino, you know, maraming mag-expect na parang can he be like his kuya, ganun, di ba?
Pero one thing is for sure, Arvin and Aiden will be a different star, di ba?
Of course.
Diba? Different star, especially to si Aiden Tolentino, he's still 16 years old. I have a talk with Coach Britro Roma of NU High School, and sabi niya, this is a 17 and under league here in Velvet D-League, pero they're deploying 16 and under. All of their players, walang lalagpas ng 16 dyan. So definitely a young team for NU.
Oh, very good yan for the development of the players kasi alam mo yung mga bata sila, hindi pa sila yung mga players that they will be in the future. So marami pa silang i-develop, marami pa silang makakuha skills and lessons. So very good yan na bata pa lang sila, nagsistart na sila dito sa older leagues.
And then yun, FEU made the basket through a contact. Ang gandang play. Pero ito, yun nga, sabi mo nga, this is a young team and it's good for young players to be exposed here as an early age. And actually, dito sa mga first leagues nila, dito natin makikita yung mga discipline and yung mga good habits na ma-develop nila. Pero for the meantime, 11-7 is our score. We'll be heading into a timeout. Now back for more first quarter action. This is NU High School versus FEU Diliman sa ating pagbubukas ng Velvet D-League Season 2. NU could not make them pay with a tray as babalik sa FEU yung bola. Aaron, yung FEU talagang etong team na to, tinitignan ko at ito yung yung mga team na merong mga second generation stars. Like kanina nabanggit na natin si CP Miranda and also John Michael Pingris na we all know anak ng ating Pinoy Sakuragi na Gilas legend.
Oh, hindi lang yung mga alumni nila yung star-studded, kundi yung high school nila and college nila. Just like what you mentioned, si Mark Pingris, anak niya nandito. One of the legends of Philippine basketball. Gilas Pilipinas star, naka-World Cup na yan. Alam mo, nakalaban niya yung mga NBA players. So, itong anak niya, very good experience to play for an FEU high school na marami nang na-produce na mga big names in the pro ranks.
Friends, speaking of that, FEU, whoa, what a block! My ball will stay. FEU, good block of Sundiang. Grabe. Yung NU team, diba, we all know them as a very successful team in the recent ranks in the UAAP. But they will also be fighting in the debut game or the season opening game rather of the Velvet D-League against FEU.
And one of the most memorable teams I remember from the NU High School was when they had Kevin Kiambao, Carl Tamayo, meron pa silang Alarcon, may Abadiano, may Fortea pa, who were all playing ngayon sa college rank. So isipin mo kung paano kalakas din tong NU team, NU history na to ng high school nila.
At may isa ka pang nakakalimutan player ng galing sa NU High School. Yun ay walang iba kundi si Steve Nash Enriquez na ironically, lahat sa mga binanggit mo, hindi na naglalaro sa NU. Eto si Steve Nash, naglalaro pa rin for NU College naman. Coming from high school, naglaro sa NU College. And titignan din natin dito sa juniors team nila if merong from here na talagang maging successful wearing the blue and gold jersey.
Yeah, and it's interesting to see kung sino dito sa mga players na to na nakita natin. Ayun, and on the screen.
Ayan, si Gilas legend. Mark Pingris, kasama yung kanyang wife na si Danica Soto. Pingris.
So they're here to support their son. So very good from him as a father. Kahit alam mong busy siya, maraming mga ginagawa. He's still here for his son to support his high school dreams.
Siyempre, talaga. And grabe, malapit lang din kayo dito sa ating area. You could watch the Velvet D-League live and makakapag-picture pa kayo with Gilas legend, Mark Pingris.
Yes, we're located right here lang sa AFP Wellness Center in QC.
A corner 3, FEU will make them pay! As we head to another timeout, FEU having their stroke from the outside. Hindi, tawag doon. Medyo nahirapan ako, hindi ko nakikita yung score. Pero pag ganun, ang time, play-by-play ko na nalilito lang din ako sa kaya nakikikwentuhan lang kasi nalilito ako sa positioning, sa back for more first quarter of action here in the Velvet D-League Season 2. Kasama nyo kami, Miggy si aking pangalan, at ang inyong analyst na si Aaron D. And you with the basketball. Tulabot. Goes his teammate. The jumper will be short. Rebound FEU. And now they're on a fast break. Ooh, gandang behind the back. Goes all the way. Will be short. And you with a chance to counter.
And you can notice, Miggy, yung game mas nagiging fast-paced na ngayon. Nagtatrap na rin tong FEU full court press.
At yun yung specialty talaga ng mga young teams They have the luxury, yung energy nila, yung stamina nila. Hindi basta-basta napapagod. Kaya talagang run and gun. And also, pwede din mag full court defense. As FEU will try to make a quick basket. Ends up with a 3. And it will fall.
That's too open right there for the FEU shooter. Tinan mo naman, di na nag-close out tong NU. So they have to do a better job at closing out on the shooters.
As NU sasagot with the jumper will not fall rather. And number 84, speeding. A foul.
And good job by number 84 to initiate the contact, getting that foul. Kita mo doon, he went right at his defender at nakadraw siya ng foul.
Now FEU with a baseline inbound. Ooh, gandang knockout play. The hook shot will fall. Ang gandang 1-2 punch nun.
Good pivot right there by number 4 from FEU. Kita mo naman, mabablock siya doon kung tinira niya agad. Pero umikot muna and it went in.
And okay. And FEU with the basketball. Second chance. Long rebound. Won't be successful for NU as ball will stay with the green and yellow shirts. kita natin si Coach Mark Isip calling the shots, the man at the helm for the FEU Baby Tamaraws.
Yeah, and Coach Mark Isip, assistant coach of the UAP ng college sa FEU. Also, my batchmate actually dun sa masterclass namin na nag-talk kami about itong mga sportscasting. So, Coach Mark Isip, marami itong ginagawa, maraming talents to. So, let's watch out for him as a coach.
And yeah, Mark Isip, known to be a FEU graduate, one of the players who reached the pros and naging excellent career din. And now he's having a good coaching career here for the FEU Tamaraws. And let's see kung hanggang saan niya kayang dalhin itong fantastic FEU team. But still, to NU. Now they're running. A free line. Will miss with the fast break opportunity.
Medyo sumobra lang doon yung reverse para kay number 29 ng NU.
That's number 84 for FEU. Yeah, basketball. The swing. 3. Will miss, and that's the end of the first quarter. FEU, with their fantastic hands from outside, they lead 21-11 against NU High School.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay-off nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga, di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw, sintaas ng bola pag ginagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid, baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay, babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay-off nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, liga, liga.
Now, as we resume our Velvet D-League season opener, NU High School kontra sa FEU Diliman. Second quarter, FEU having a 10-point lead. Pero mukhang magkakaroon ng technical free throws ang NU.
And it's interesting to see na itong NU, hindi pa sila nagpo-full court press or full court trap. Puro half court man lang sila. So, itong FEU naman, nakikita naman natin, nagtatrap sila. Kanina nag-2-2-1 sila. So, let's see if they're gonna bring out different traps pa for this game.
And now, official start of the second quarter. The handoff, the drive, woo, good move.
And good handoff play right there. Kita naman natin, nakadalawang handoff right into the screen, dun sa may free throw line. Dire-diretso para sa layup.
And now FEU, they will set up a play in the offense. Nowhere to go. Pascual, short on the 3.
Here we go with NU pushing it.
And NU, ayan na, with a slight bump. Oh, offensive foul ang itatawag sa kanila doon on that opportunity.
Lowered the shoulder a bit too much on that play. Medyo halata na yun para sa referee.
And now FEU, a chance for them. Uy, the breakaway. Sayang lang, magmimintes. The second shot will miss. The stick back, ayaw pa rin. Third time will not be a charm for FEU.
And dala mo kahit di pumasok yung mga shot na yun, NU has to do a better job at containing those penetrations, most especially off the full court press nila.
Kasi yun maganda na yung idea of the full court press, pero yun nga, nabe-break agad na FEU. So maybe on their next defensive plays, kailangan nilang pagbutihan palalo. As on their offensive set, they will try to manufacture a shot. The drive, the handoff, beautiful feed, basket, and the foul.
Good drop pass right there. Kita mo naman nag-drive siya to the right, attracting actually three defenders. Na-open tuloy itong si number 29 Mejia, and he got the easy drop pass for the shot.
And now our gets to the line, Martin Mejia, who was trying to complete but missing on the bonus free throw. Slowly, NU coming alive in the second quarter, 21-15. They're only with a 6-point deficit as they will run again the breakaway. Cuts the deficit back to 4. And now Coach Mark Isip and the rest of FEU Diliman will call a timeout. Second quarter of action resumes. Kasama nyo pa rin kami sa season opener ng Velvet D-League NU High School versus FEU Baby Tamaraws. At the start of the second quarter, FEU having a 10-point lead. Pero suddenly, another N1 opportunity for FEU. This time, si Dolin naman yung makakuha ng bonus free throw.
And itong si Dolin, kanina ko pa ito nakikita, very athletic forward. You know, he has the height, he has the speed. May skill din to, so high potential for a young player like this, itong si Dolin, number 34.
Eh, ano din medyo kahawig niya yung frame ni Toring. Diba, ito si Dolin, so baka gusto mo din gawing small forward to.
Yes, very similar actually, and silang dalawa kaya nila actually, pero itong si Dolin, I like what I'm seeing from him this game.
Aselis. 2-2. Uy, the feed and the easy basket.
And beautiful drop pass right there. Always remember players. Pag naka-penetrate ka na, naiwanan mo tao mo, if another guy comes at you, someone's always gonna be open right there sa ilalim for that drop pass.
Pag ganun ba mga situation, Aaron, ano ba mas magandang gawin? Pag nakita mo na-attract na, hahanapin mo pa ba yung kakamping mong open or you try to fish a foul? Total, dalawa naman yung nasa harap mo.
Well, if there's two people in front of you, that always means one guy's open right there. So ibigay mo na talaga basta open. Pero yeah, a foul can also work. Pero on that play, he made the right decision for the drop pass.
And Pascual will not make a right decision and hit the three as he misses. And you with the chance. Toring. Oy, the pass fumbled, pero somehow Celis gets it and drills the three.
Kitang-kita yun sa screen. Diretso ang tira ni Celis right there for the 3, number 24.
Good line. Ito, nakausap ko si Coach Britt kanina. Sabi niya, yan, si Matias, si Celis, and even si Tulabat, yun yung mga players lang, we need to look forward for NU. Pero syempre, they need to do their work, diba? Kasi nakikitaan na niya itong mga players na to ng potential. Pero kailangan pa din talaga nila magpakitang gilas. And that's why dito papasok yung Velvet D-League, an avenue for these young players to live up to their potential and to develop and hone their skills in basketball.
And I'm liking the composure I'm seeing from this kid, si Celis. Kita mo yung shooting niya, mid-range outside, and there, good play on the inbound.
FEU, actually, parang pangalawa na ata to yung FEU nakakakuha ng mga sneaky plays inside for point blank shots.
Oh, maganda yung mga baseline play nitong FEU. Dalawang knockout play na, no, if we're not mistaken. So, good plays by Coach Mark Isip right there off the baseline. And yung mga screening nila kasi maganda, nakakalusot yung mga big man nila under.
As Carino makes the first one. At perfect trip at the line for Carino of FEU.
And FEU shifting to a half-court man-to-man defense. Di na sila nagtitrap ngayon.
Oh, but number 44 of NU gets the putback.
NU as well shifting to a half-court man-to-man. So two teams not pressing at this moment of the game.
Oo, medyo nag-settle down na yung kanilang aggressive defense. They're trying for more aggressive half-court defense naman. But Celis against one FEU. Wow! And one play for him.
And if I mentioned a while ago, si Celis 3-point shooting, mid-range shooting, pinakita na rin niya yung defense niya tsaka contact finishing on that play with the good body control to get that end one on the fast break layup.
Those here, Rob Celis making things happen for NU. Now they're in the lead 30-29 in the second quarter. Matatandaan natin kanina lamang yung FEU ng 10 sa pagbubukas natin ng second quarter. But now, with the help of Rob Celis, they have, NU has now the lead.
And we're noticing a shift in energy dito sa NU. Mas bumabox out na, mas nag-crash ng boards. Pati steals nila nakakuha na rin loose balls.
Pascual. Ooh, good save by FEU. The long jumper will fall.
And that looked like a step kita ko sa screen. And yeah, it was a 2 confirmed.
Oh, beautiful move from inside by Season.
And 2 open on that play si Season. Nakita ng point guard niya and good recognition from the point guard.
Pascual maneuvering the jumper. Will miss. NU with the rebound. Oh, that's a steal from FEU. Air ball on the shot.
At ito na nga, tumataas na ang energy ng both teams. You know, getting in the open court, getting all those fast break layups, fast break 3-pointers and mid-ranges.
Now, NU, babalik sa kanila yung bola.
It's interesting to see kung itong NU, gagana ba yung play nila na puro handoff sa top. And Celis taking it in.
But the jump ball will be called. Possession arrow looking to the side of FEU. NU with the lead 32-31 here in the second quarter. Tatandaan natin, at the start of the second quarter, lamang ng 10 ang FEU, but in this quarter, NU made the run, and now they have a 1-point lead.
And good read right there by number 62, itong big man ng FEU. Kita mo yung defender niya nag-overplay sa handoff, ina-anticipate yung handoff, so nag-spin siya right to the basket. Itong si Carino, dire-diretso para sa layup, drew the foul pa.
And now, Carino, a big man with a good stroke from free throw. Hopefully, hindi ko siya nabate on that time. His second one. Ako, pasensya ka na. Sorry. Oh, Celis. Goes to 41. Uy, pero nagkamali na naman siya ng step sa TikTok nun.
And mukhang siya rin ata yung naka-travel kanina, if I'm not mistaken. So, is that Tulabot, number 2?
I believe it's number 41. Dave Quinto.
Si Quinto, yes.
Siguro pag uwi niya mamaya after the game, kailangan niya muna siguro practicein yung mga TikTok moves para hindi na siya magkakamali.
Medyo nagmamadali siya dun sa first step niya.
Oo. As FEU gets another offensive rebound. The handoff. 5 seconds to shoot. Off the glass shot won't work. Battle for the board belongs to FEU once again. This is the third time in this possession for FEU. The 3 will miss. Fourth opportunity for FEU. End time. Ang dami ng chance ng FEU.
Paulit-ulit itong offensive rebound. Swerte lang sila. Di pumapasok mga tira ng FEU dito.
A shot clock winding down. The step back 3. Whoa! From the parking lot.
And finally, FEU makes a shot. But NU really has to do a better job. I keep on repeating it over and over again. Nakakailan sila. Naka-4 na shot ata sila on that possession.
You're sounding like a broken record. Paano ba naman kasi yung FEU napakadami ng offensive rebounds. NU, they need to have a better box out or a defensive rebound play para mapigilan yung mga second chance ng FEU.
And you can notice on that play a while ago, puro long yung mga rebound nila. So yung mga guards kailangan bumax out.
As Lopez, the Pinoy step, will miss. Rebound Tolentino. 14 seconds into our second quarter. Celis will drive strong, but he will go at the line for 2 shots.
And good job by Celis there, recognizing na yung defender niya nag-overplay dun sa screen. Rineject niya, drove to the right and drew the foul.
That's Rob Celis. The man of the moment for NU. Helped his team. Came back into this game. But now they're down by 3. He has a chance to cut the lead to 1. But for the meantime, he cuts the lead to 2.
And maganda tong form ni Celis. Kita mo, correct yung mga fundamentals niya. May dip siya sa shot niya. May follow through. Tapos may post din siya before he shoots it. So, I'm liking what I'm seeing from this kid.
But missing on the free throw. That time, hindi ko na siya nabate, ha?
Oh, yun lang.
Nag-miss lang talaga siya. Yeah.
At ito, naka-zone right now ang NU. So let's see if this pays dividends for them or it backfires.
10 seconds on the shot clock. The corner 3 will fall.
And yun na nga, nag-backfire itong zone para sa NU. 3 points agad.
Timeout for the side of NU. Would like to correct myself. This is still the second quarter. And now NU, FEU, opening match or season opener of our Velvet D-League Season 2. Timeout nga lang, babalik kami. For the second quarter, FEU versus NU. Tulabut drives. Layup will not finish. Good steal. And now we end the first half. NU versus FEU. FEU with the lead 38-33. Dito sa Season 2 ng Velvet D-League.
Laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag kapag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na lang mga kalaban na parang na modus. Ito ay nalang dikdikan to, coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come on, bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakat ay inaararo. Minulok pa si Steve Nash, diwid ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo, antikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli, lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat na makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na uli.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
And now, we're back here for the second half of our Season 2 of the Velvet D-League. Ito yung una nating laro. Kasama nyo kami, ako si Mickey C. Sa aking tabi, si Aaron D. 38-33, FAU with a 5-point lead. Tolentino, the runner, will be strong.
Sumobra lang dun yung floater right there ni Tolentino. Kasi alam mo yung shot na yun sa corner, mahirap talaga yun pag walang board eh. Ako, I consider that one of the hardest shots to make in basketball. Kasi wala kang board, kailangan saktong-sakto yung floater mo there.
Kung baga wala kang wala kang guidance eh. 'Di ba? Unlike pag may board ka doon, pwede kang tatamaan. Kung gusto mo maging kung gusto mo safety, pwede kang you go for the glass. Pero kung gusto mo din, pwede ka din mag-one-hander na sakto at the right bottom of the net. Pero at that time, pag baseline, mahirap nga naman patamaan sa board yun. So talagang kailangan maging perfect yung release. As Tolentino, the other shot will work. This time, tinama niya sa glass para sure na makakapasok.
Yun na yung easier shot para kay Tolentino. And kita mo naman pasok agad yung shot niya from the board.
And now at 38 to 35, a 3-point lead only for FEU with 8:52 in the third quarter.
And miscommunication on that play right there. Akala nung big man niya magsistay sa corner yung guard. Pero itong guard naman kumat pa loob. Kaya yung pass niya out of bounds.
Medyo nagkaroon ng konting disconnection yung FEU. But on the next play, baka siguro kailangan nilang patibayin yung kanilang connection. Acelis, hands up. Finds Tolentino.
And good idea right there by number 71 ng NU. Kita mo, drop pass agad siya. Actually, scoop pass pa ginawa niya right there. You know, naka-foul lang, pero kung nasalo yun nung 88 at di nag-foul, easy two-pointer again right there for NU.
And so far in this third quarter, hinahanap talaga nila si Tolentino for those point-blank shots. That's the third time already for Tolentino. But this time around, 9 seconds to shoot. Baseline J won't work.
And that's another good shot kasi open ulit.
As Pascual with the fast break, magmimintes. Rebound, FEU with the third opportunity. Hounded, Carino will miss. Tolentino secures the rebound. The drop pass. Boards for 2.
And nakakailang magandang drop pass na to si number 2. Another right there to his guard naman on the fast break.
And now FEU. Still, medyo bumabagal ulit yung scoring nila pag nagbubukas yung quarter. Haven't made anything yet. As Pascual from the left wing. Goes to Carino at the post. Against Tolentino. Turnaround. Will miss. Battle for the board. FEU makakuha. Offensive chance. Will miss.
And puro good defense tong NU at this quarter.
Celis trying all the way. Will miss on that lay-in. And now ikaw, yung FEU napakarami nilang nakukuhang offensive rebounds pero hindi nila nakakapitalize. Would you think it's NU just being lucky or they are still doing their best rim protecting?
Walang nakikita ko naman is nahirapan lang talaga tong NU mag-box out kasi yung mga rebounds nila is long eh. Pero what I can say is nagdi-defense rin naman sila pag kahit sabihin mo nakaka-offensive rebound tong FEU, yung hands-up defense pa rin nila pag yung second chance points, they're still trying. So, yun nga lang siguro what they need to work on is boxing out, especially dun sa guards kasi malayo yung mga bounce ng mga rebounds eh.
So, yung rebounds na kailangan gawin ng NU is talagang kailangan din ng mga NU guards na to hustle for those long rebounds. Kasi yung rim protecting nakikita naman natin eh. Pero yung pagkuha ng second chance, pag-secure ng defensive rebound, they need to do better than that. And now NU looking, nagawa nila sa pagkakataong yun. Good rebound for Tulabut. Tolentino, top of the key, goes to Quinto. At an offensive foul, medyo nasa oprahan yung kanyang braso on that time.
Oh, medyo huli na yun. Kita mo, may konting extension na right there. Huling-huli ng referee, nasa harap lang niya.
Now FEU with another possession, 7-12 in the third quarter. 39 to 37, a free lane and a beautiful move for FEU.
Too easy on that play for number 22. Went right through the 5 of NU. Dire-diretso lang.
They hand up NU with opportunity. Quinto attacks. 2 free throws for him.
And favorite play talaga ng NU to. Tatlong handoff, tapos screen right there sa may free throw line. Penetrate agad yung guard right into the middle. Actually, siguro mga 3 beses na itong gumana this game. So, it's looking effective for them. So, tuloy-tuloy lang nila.
And now, shooting at the line is number 41 of NU, Dave Quinto. Was now being really aggressive in the third quarter. Maalala natin ng second quarter, medyo dumadami yung maling step niya sa TikTok. Pero this time, he's making for lost time. Talagang bumabawi siya. and he's proving na talagang tamang decision na he have a lot of minutes for Coach Britt.
At ito na, 2-2-1 na itong NU sa press defense nila.
Good stop. Runs to a barricade, pero Dolin fires a 3. Will miss. FEU, Tulabot. NU rather, Tulabot goes to Tolentino. Tolentino at the mid-range. Picks up his dribble, hands it off. The drive could not finish.
Sayang yung play na yun. Maganda na sana, dire-diretso na sa pick and roll nila from the wing. Hindi lang pumasok yung layup.
Alam mo yung magandang nangyayari dun sa play na yun? Nakita natin si Mark Pingris ready to get the long rebound kahit nasa sideline lang. Ito sa baseline. Ayan.
Alam mo kahit di naglalaro, always ready yan si Mark Pingris.
Ayun, speaking of Mark Pingris, nanood sa ating Velvet D-League season opener, FEU versus NU. Clearly supporting his son, Mick Pingris, who's still in the bench for FEU. Pero makikita naman natin yan along this season na makakalaro and will get his opportunity.
Yan, itong halftime, I was able to talk to Sir Mark Pingris lang ng mabilis lang. I asked him about his son, kung paano siya ka-proud na sinusupport niya. And sinabi nitong ni Sir Mark na di daw niya itong pinilit mag-basketball. Talagang ginusto nitong ni Mick Pingris na maglaro. And wala, wala siyang pinapressure dito sa anak niya. He's not trying to tell him to be like him. He's just trying to make him grow as his own player. And maganda ito para to have a father like Mark Pingris na alam mo yun, walang pressure. Just enjoy the game and see where it takes you.
And as NU, ball will take to the other side. They will commit a turnover. Under 6 minutes to play in the third quarter. 41-38 in favor of FEU. They will have the basketball once again.
Coach Mark Isip pointing out some wet spots on the court. Kita mo, pumapasok na nga sa court eh.
Talaga syempre as a coach, diba, isa din yan na aside from guiding your players, you need also to make sure na they will be safe when they're doing their best, diba, and giving their all in the hardwood.
Oh, tama yan. Kasi itong mga coaches din, para mga second father na rin yan itong mga players eh. So, mahal talaga nila itong mga to. Mark Isip on the screen.
Making sure. Speaking of second father to, first father naman. Si Mark Pingris, really supporting his son Mick. And obviously also supporting FEU, who's with a 3-point lead in the 5:52 mark of the third quarter.
And alumni din to si Mark. I remember he mentioned a while ago na naglaro din siya for FEU. So, yun.
Diba, aside from Mark Pingris, dami ding mga alumni ang dami ding alumni nitong na FEU. Mark Isip, their coach, and even yung father ni CP Miranda na si Denok Miranda, who's the college head coach for FEU Tamaraws.
Kaya mga fans, if you really want to see the stars come out, kahit yung mga alumni, yung mga former players, punta kayo dito sa Velvet D-League, makikita nyo itong mga people like Mark Pingris, Mark Isip.
Oh, for sure, for sure. Lalong gumaganda, di ba, yung ating liga. Dahil sa mga pagbisita ng mga well-known stars of our basketball industry in the Philippines. Tulabot, swing, the 3, will be strong. Rebound FEU. Lopez to his teammate. Corner shot will also be strong. Celis with the board. He is running. 4v2. One-hander could not trickle in. Now FEU. Fast break opportunity to them. Uy, mawawala yung bola. Ball will go to the side of NU.
And I'm waiting for itong si Rob Celis to pop off in this game. Medyo tumahimik na siya dito nitong third quarter. First half, he was really hot. Defense, offense, three-pointers, jump shots. So let's see him try to show the full arsenal in the second half.
As NU's captain Matias checks in. Celis, jumper, huli ng FEU, and a double whammy for Rob Celis on that play. Nabutata na nga siya, and at the same time he commits a foul at mukhang magiging triple whammy pa nga as the foul would be discussed. Mukhang referee signaled with a unsportsmanlike foul.
Kita mo naman kasi dito si 34 ng FEU, ang haba, athletic pa. Itong si Dulin, yan, free throw tuloy siya. It seems it's unsportsmanlike kasi ito free throw sila tapos walang rebounders.
Fortunately for NU, nag-mintes yung free throws ni Dolin. On his first shot, etong naman second shot, titignan natin. Now it's good.
And maganda rin yung stroke nitong si 34, si Dulin. For a big man na ganyang kahaba, tapos ganyang kabilis gumalaw. You know, yun yung mga may players na potential talaga.
Now FAU will get a possession after 2 free throws from Dulin. As the last play, it was an unsportsmanlike foul to Rob Celis. Now FAU, mid-range jumper, will miss. Matias. Somehow, NU still get the basketball. Reverse layup, a foul.
And hinahanap talaga nila yung big man nila, tong si 42 right there. Dalawang pasa sa kanya. First one was deflected, second one nakuha niya. Foul right there in that play.
Now, at the line, Josh Vitug for NU.
And it's good that NU's not settling for those outside shots. You know, tinatry talaga nilang i-pound inside the paint, look for their big men, get those high percentage shots para makahabol sila dito.
Now, Vitug at the line. Ito si Vitug, isa din to sa mga high school players natin sa ating ball game na ang haba din, ang tangkad, ang haba din ng galamay. Just like Toring, Dulin, di ba? And even Tolentino. Diba? Yung nakikita talaga natin na yung mga high school players natin, iba na talaga yung kinakain nila eh. Iba na yung ang tatangkad na, liliksi na rin eh.
Yeah, high school basketball is definitely evolving. And number 2.
That's Matias, the captain of NU, making a fast break layup. Cuts their lead, or cuts the deficit to 2. And a steal, Matias with the hustle. But somehow FEU gets the basketball. Dulin, the one-hander, is good with the foul.
Good body control and composure by Dulin on that play. Kita mo, takes the right-hand dribble, drifting to the right, off-balance pa siya, bank shot, pasok pa rin, end one.
FPU's number 34, Dulin, making a really good impression in this game. Nung second quarter, nakikita mo na nga siya eh, di ba? You like his activity, and now in the third quarter, he's making his presence felt for Coach Mark Isip and the Baby Tamaros.
And these are the players you expect to see in the college ranks. Kasi if you look at him, sobrang payat pa niya. So imagine what more if a player like this builds muscle with his height and athleticism pa, di ba?
A player to watch out for indeed. But FEU, Lopez, good defense. But Matias gets the basketball. And he will be fouled to that process. 2 shots for him.
And Matias with that dipsy-do layup, fishing for that foul, and he gets it anyway.
Itong si Rohem Matias, isa din to sa mga talagang tinitignan ni Coach Britt na magiging catalyst for NU. And rightfully so, nakikita naman natin activity niya here in this game. At the same time, he's the captain of this young Bullpup squad.
Yeah, so, you know, as a captain, kailangan talaga niya i-lead itong teammates niya. Show leadership, experience, and he's doing it well for his team.
As Lopez, bounce pass to Pascual. The baseline, reverse layup is good.
Ganda naman ng move na yun. Kita mo, pass fake pa, right there into the Pinoy step. Reverse layup, pinectus pa high off the board.
As ball will go back to the side of FEU. They already have a 6-point lead in the 3:02 of this third quarter. A chance for them to embiggen their lead. Lopez goes to number 4. Hands it up. Drive at the middle. Runner will miss. Rebound ends up with Matias. And now the Bullpups are running. The handoff. A foul.
Ganda naman ng fake ni Matias on that play. Actually, pwede na rin niyang tinira yun eh kung hindi niya pinasa. Pero good intention pa din, and he still draws the foul for the 2 free throws.
As shooting at the line is Ashley Sundiang. First shot will miss. Second shot is good. NU down by 5.
And kayang-kaya pa itong habulin ng NU. You just have to play better defense and crash those offensive boards.
Lopez with the basketball. Kicks it out. Pascual. With 10 seconds to shoot. Gives it to... Oh, a foul.
And we notice here on the FEU side, the play always starts dun sa elbow sa big man nila. Parang naka-horn set, pero hindi magsi-screen. So, in a way, itong big man nila yung nagpi-play make right off the handoff, tapos pick and roll agad from the wing.
And, you know, at this day and age of basketball, nakikita natin talaga na big man could also play make, diba? Aspasinos, short stab, won't be good. Ball will go to the side of NU.
And both teams shifting to a half-court defense na nga lang in this 2-minute mark sa may third quarter.
Matias hands it up. Rohe drives, nowhere to go, finds his teammate. Gets the friendly roll.
And another inside shot right there by NU looking for the big man.
Good vision and a good block coming from Mejia on that play.
Sunod-sunod tong si Mejia from offense to defense. Gets the floater tapos a block on the other end.
Alam mo naman kasi Aaron, meron nga tayong kasabihan na pag ikaw yung nakashoot, gaganahan ka dumipensa.
Tama yun. Tinan mo, ang bilis nga bumaba ni Mejia on that play. Oh.
And now FEU, they still have another shot with 12 seconds in their shot clock. Pascual against number 35, good hands. And an offensive foul on Pascual.
And here comes NU with all the momentum on their side. Getting the defense on that play. Good steal by their guard. And let's see if they can capitalize and maybe tie this game up.
Yes, NU with the possession. Chance for them to cut their deficit into 1, or maybe tie this ball game. Now both coaches calling out, giving pointers to his team. Si Coach Britt making sure na they could capitalize on this possession, while si Coach Mark naman making sure na they could get a defensive stop. As Matias fires a 3. Mintes.
And good switching by the FEU players. Na-anticipate na nila yung play ng NU na puro handoff. So nag-switch sila sa lahat ng guards nila on that play.
But a good hands by Matias. Saving the ball. And now NU. Drop pass. Ooh! Masyado lang mainit yung pasa for NU.
Pwedeng tinira na ni number 19 yun. Actually, alanganin na yung pasa niya to the right side. He should have taken that because he was open on that 3-on-2 fast break.
Maybe a case of overpassing for NU on that time. As FEU, they will get another chance to give more cushion to their lead. Pasinos, hook shot, rattles out. Matias secures the board. Hands it up. Mejia gets the 2.
Another beautiful drop pass right there by number 2, Matias, to his big man, 29, Mejia.
Grabe to si El Capitan ng NU. Talagang paving the way for his teammates. And we can see, that's the end time na meron siyang room service delivery for his teammates.
At such a young age, being that smart, having that IQ, na alam mo how to set your teammates up. Kasi usually mga bata ngayon gusto lang nila mag-score, 3 points, you know, top board, dunk, whatever. Itong bata na to, alam niya kung paano i-set up teammates niya, how to attract the defense, that secondary defender, to get that open drop pass.
And slowly nakikita natin sa ating laruan kung bakit siya yung team captain ng NU Bullpups.
Very important to have players like this on your team. Another beautiful pass.
And that will result 2 free throws for Engio. And now NU and FEU with a 47-all score in the third quarter.
Kita mo naman yung threading the needle right there. Itong si number 2, si Matias. Dalawa yung nakaharang doon, lumusot pa rin yung pasa.
Grabe. Yung passing skills nito siguro nasa ano to, 90 pag sa rating ng 2K niya.
Pag sa 2K, mataas na to.
Nasa 90 na to, no?
Past first floor general to si Matias.
Meron na rin mga badge.
Oo, meron na yan.
Asengio shooting at the line with 8.18 in the third quarter. First shot is good, giving back the lead to NU. Second shot is strong. Rebound Mejia. Another chance for him. Swings to Matias. The three won't fall. Mejia, another chance. The jumper will miss. And now we end the third quarter. NU with the lead, 48-47 against FEU. Okay. So first, kuha natin yung may rhythm na.
Doon po sa ano. Opo.
Sa likod lang.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay-o. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay-o nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay-o nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwede.
Trailing by one. They lose the basketball. NU on the breaks will miss. Engyo with the foul.
And it's anyone's ball game at this point of the time, so we will see who wants it more, you know, at this point of the game.
Now, slight stoppage into the fourth quarter. Mukhang may inaayos lang yung ating mga officials to make sure na talagang we could watch the game and play the game really maayos and talagang with proper rules and management. FEU nowhere to go. Carino hands it off, goes to Lopez. Drives left. Stolen away by FEU and Matias mag-isa gets the two.
Pero hindi na nahabol nitong ni number 4 Dakutan, the big man, si Matias on that fast break layup, iniwan na.
And another turnover by FEU. Pagkakataon muli para sa NU Bullpops.
And momentum from the third quarter nitong NU, it's carrying on to the fourth quarter, so FEU's gonna have to do something to stop this.
So far, NU doing this second half storm without less production from Rob Celis as he fires a 3. Magpaparamdam na. Right on cue. Itong si Rob Celis.
And ito na nga, everything falling for NU right now. A flurry of plays from defense to the big men scoring to Matias. Ngayon si Celis naman is gonna join the party.
As the Rob Celis 3 sends energy to the bench. Diba? Umiingay na rin yung bench ng NU. However, FEU will go to the line for 2 shots.
Pero ang daming namimiss nitong FEU na mga open layups nila, kahit yung mga uncontested or konting contest lang. So, kailangan nila itong i-convert para makahabol in this game. Kasi tinan mo, itong lead ng NU lumolobo na.
To mind you, we start the second quarter kanina with a 10-point deficit for NU, and now we're on to the 8 and 35 mark of the fourth quarter with NU having a 5-point lead.
Maganda kasi yung energy ng FEU nung una. Actually, yung NU hindi maganda energy, pero we could see a shift in both teams. Parang opposites na sila ngayon.
As NU with the basketball, Tolabut gives it to Matias, who's been fantastic into the second half. Celis, another 3. Will be short on that time.
That's a bit too deep right there. Medyo malayo, tas may contest pa dun sa harap niya.
Rob Celis medyo naramdaman niya na umiinit na siya after that 1-3. Pero unfortunately for him, he was not able to make his second 3 in this fourth quarter. Dulin at the middle. Goes to 27. To Pascual. Nowhere to go. And now for the end time, FEU committing a turnover in the fourth quarter.
Another stop right there by NU. Kita mo, di makaset ng play itong FEU. They wanted to give it to the post. They wanted to take the 3-pointer. Ubos ang shot clock nila.
The drive at the teeth of the defense.
And NU just having too much of an easy time penetrating right there.
Simula ng third quarter, ganyan yung nagiging story At ayan, ito pa isang storya. Matias with the steal and the easy 2. Coach Mark Isip and the Baby Tamaros will call for some time. At ayan, yung magandang steal at basket ni Rohe Matias. Velvet D-League will be right back.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, liga, liga.
Velvet D-League basketball, this Velvet D-League Season 2 possible. 24 alkaline C, sodium ascorbate.
Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang
SA3
kumpiyansa
Diamond
kapag
Health and
tumitira.
Beauty.
Maging
Diamond
panalo ka
Skills
na
Development
laro sa
Center.
liga, di ka papagulang kahit pa
Lucas
napakalakas
Sports
nila.
Clothing.
Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing.
Eira.
Na di ka pwede, dapat na maliitin.
Wilson.
Kung usapan ay laro, dapat halimaw. Sintaas
now,
ng bola pag
we're
hinagis
back
ka kasilaw.
at the fourth
Tignan
quarter
mong
of
maigi
action.
ang iyong
NU
paligid.
with a 9-point lead. 57-48, 7 and 30 in the fourth.
And if in the first half we had Rob Celis leading the way for NU, ngayon naman itong si Matias yung gumagawa sa kanila para sa second half.
Rohe Matias there, the NU Bullpups team captain, making things happen for them. As a good look for Gutierrez, magmimintis lang. Ball for the board. Ooh, FEU could not save it.
And another layup right there missed by FEU. They have to convert on those plays para makahabol sila.
And now looks like one NU Bullpup on the floor, bit shaken up. Surprisingly, ito si Matias napatagal ata yung higa niya dun sa floor, knowing na, alam mo, siguro napalakas yung bangga sa kanya on that possession.
And he gets up anyway agad. Kita naman natin he's a very tough player on the offensive and defensive end, so he's not gonna give up in this game.
Maybe kaya siya humiga kasi to add more breathing time. Diba? Kasi itong si Matias into the second half is kayod kalabaw talaga. spearheading his squad from this comeback to a 9-point lead. At ayan na naman, room service pass. Somehow finds Celis for 3. 3 shots for him at the line.
And that's a good play by NU. Matias penetrating into the middle, dropping it off to the big man, and then Celis, their shooter, being open in the corner, taking that 3. Di lang pumasok pero foul pa rin, so that's still 3 free throws.
Now Rob Celis, who had a fantastic first half. Third quarter medyo naging mabagal para sa kanya, pero he's slowly trying to get his rhythm back in this fourth frame. First one is a miss.
And everything going right for NU in this quarter actually. Daming nangyayari para sa kanila na positive. Kahit sa defensive end, sila lahat nakaka-steal, mga loose ball nakakuha nila. So, you know, momentum talaga nasa side ng NU. FEU has to do something to stop this. I don't know if it's a stop, it's a rebound, it's a three-pointer, a block, anything, just to inject that energy into this FEU team.
Celis makes 2 out of 3 free throws. Now FEU, ito na yung kanilang pagkakataon to calm that NU storm that is brewing since the third quarter. Gutierrez goes to 62. That's Carino. Goes back to Gutierrez. Drives baseline. Losing the basketball. A turnover for FEU.
And isa na naman unforced error right there. Dumrive shots pa baseline. Nawala lang yung bola dito sa FEU player. Gets the turnover.
(59 to 48), an 11-point lead for NU. Gandang pasa. Magmimintis lang. Pero another shot. Battle for the loose ball. Will go to FEU.
Showtime play yun para kay Matias on that spin move, crossover. Tapos nag-no-look pass pa siya sa big man niya. Di lang talaga pumasok.
Ito si Matias, naramdaman niya na yung passing skills niya talaga at on point in this game, and he's trying to be more creative in dishing those passes. As Carino, floater, will not drop. Mejia with the board. A good pass na naman. The one-hander will connect for NU.
At isa na namang assist yun para kay Matias on that play. I'm wondering how many assists he has in this game.
We will check on how many times Ronhe Matias did in this game. So far, feeling ko nasa around 5 or more na yan. But on that play, FEU was able to get a foul. However, it will only be a sideline inbound. Pascual against Matias. One-hander of the glass will miss. Dolin with the board. And Gio secures.
And nanonotice ko dito sa offense ng FEU, wala masyadong movement. Isang pick and roll lang, tapos yung mga wing players nila nakatayo lang dun sa corner, di gumagalaw. Kaya usually stagnant offense nila, ubos palagi shot clock, and they don't even get a shot off at the end.
Yung mga nakukuha nilang shot either from a 1v1 play or right at the buzzer heave na lang. And FEU need to get more open looks and try to get going on the offense. As NU will miss, but they will get the second chance.
As opposed to this NU offense, we could see a lot of movement. Galing pa lang dun sa handoff nila, ikot na ng ikot yung bola, may pick pa sila dun sa gitna. Tapos yung mga corners sila kumakat din, gumagalaw. So, really opposite offenses for both teams actually.
NU getting it going in the second half, while FEU finding their offensive lifeline or really just trying to find the bright spots in this quarter alone. Lopez, 10 seconds to shoot. Fouled on that process.
And good play on that. Kita mo, drop pass agad siya. Dalawa lumapit sa kanya. Hooked it right around his defender into the big man. Layup, pero yun nga lang natawagan ng foul. So, 2 free throws for the guard. Or actually, wait. Free throws, no. He was fouled on the pass.
Okay, so it will only be a baseline inbound for FEU. Lopez will be the designated passer. Samantalang si Takning ng NU yung gagambala sa kanya. Pascual. Inside pass. Nowhere to go. Dulin missing.
And
on
good
the shot.
hands-up defense by number 29, si Mejia.
Mejia. Floater will not fall. Lopez. The sling goes to Pascual. The three. Finally, a three-point basket for FEU.
And Coach Mark Isip mentioned before the game, Pascual's one of the players we have to watch out for. So if they want to make a comeback, we got to see this guy pop off in this fourth quarter.
And etong si Pascual, ito yung starting point guard ng FEU. At alam naman natin yung FEU, factory ng mga guards yan. Kilala yan to produce really great, talented guards. Diba? So ito si Pascual, knowing na siya yung starting here for the 17 and under division ng FEU, high praises and talagang a player to watch.
And you could notice na itong si Pascual may license to shoot talaga to. Kanina pa to pag tumitira, confidence talaga tong batang to. So, but it hasn't been falling for him this game that much. I'm not sure if that was his first three. Pero, you know, with about 3 minutes and 50 seconds left, he has to make probably 2 or 3 more kung makahabol sila dito.
And 63 to 51, make that 63 to 52. NU with only having a 11-point lead. With 3:47 into this quarter, napakaraming oras pa para sa FEU to mount a comeback. As Matias to Mejia gets the two. Ayan na naman si Roy Matias, giving those room service dimes to his teammates.
And right there, kita mo yung si Matias, hindi lang yung pagdidribble niya yung maganda, pati yung head niya kung saan siya nakatingin. He looks the other way, but then looks to the right, dribbles to the left. Looks to the left, passes to the right. Marunong talaga tong bata na to how to use his body to deceive his opponents. Maganda yung art of deception nitong si Matias.
As Roy Matias, the team captain of NU Bullpops, yung pinapakita niya na he's the team captain at the same time he's the player to watch for NU.
Point guard, very shifty, good passing skills. Ganda rin ng defense si Matias actually. Hindi mo masasabi na offensive player lang siya. Nakakailang steals na siya dito na nag-shift ng momentum nila.
As NU having once again a 11-point lead, trying to break the press of FEU. NU, 15 seconds in their shot clock. Celis at the right wing against Lopez, drives, gets the beautiful layup and good.
In and out dribble right there from the outside with the Euro on the inside, right-handed layup. Ganda naman nun para kay Celis.
Pascual, the sling, Lopez, corner, gets it.
They cut it down to 10, but is it a little too late? Actually, kayang-kaya pa to, 3 minutes.
Astolabo to the great crossover, a free lane for him. Nako, nagmintis nga lang dun sa lane.
Masyado malalim lang yun yung angle para kay Tulabot.
As Lopez, siya susubok sa tres. Mintes, rebound Matias. Celis, the forward pass to Mejia. Nasaktan, gets the N1.
And the big boy getting that big end one, shouting on that play.
At ayan, makikita natin ang gandang pasa. Mejia, walang takot. Nasaktan, makes the N1. He will be shooting at the line for his bonus shot. And now NU is now still on a 12-point lead. Pascual drives the floater off the glass. NU will be calling a time, as this will be a 69 to 59 score in favor of the National University Bullpops.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat.
Now back here in the season opener of the Velvet D-League Season 2, 17 and under division, NU versus FEU. Oy, sayang nga lang yun, FEU missing the lay-in. They get a steal. Can they make this opportunity? And Pascual, yes.
Mataas na energy ng FEU dito kasi kailangan nila humabol.
Tulabot will be fouled.
And that looked clean from our angle, but I'm not sure kung dun sa kabila, sabi ng ref, tumama daw sa ulo.
At makikita natin yan if we'll be having the opportunity to see the replay. Makikita nga natin yun on the second look. However, number 4 of FEU, that will be his 5th foul of the game.
Looked like a good block to me though from the screen right here. Yun nga lang, sa kabila yung foul.
Tulabot will miss his first shot. We are now under the 2 minutes of our season opener here in the Velvet D-League. 69-61. NU still with an 8-point lead. Tulabot missing. However, Mejia gets another opportunity for his team. Na kay Matias yung bola. 14 seconds to shoot. A step back 3. Matias! Making a 3-pointer at the last 2 minutes of this game. Tulabot could not secure the rebound.
And that could be a dagger for Matias. Kita mo, one dribble, step to the left, drifting. And he swishes it pa rin yan. O, kita natin, no? Reverse foot pa yun. Hindi lang yun regular step back.
Ang gandang tira. That gave NU a little bit more cushion into this game. 72-61. 90 seconds left in this game. The corner 3, huli ni Tulabot, but referees will call a foul.
And I think that's a 3-point attempt, if I'm not mistaken.
Medyo tumama, na-clip yung shooting arm ni Lopez on that play. He will shoot 3 free throws and will have the chance to try to cancel out yung big 3-pointer ni Matias on that previous play. However, missing on that second one.
Kailangan ng FEU ng quick buckets after this. Whatever happens, make or miss. Di nila kailangan i-force muna sa 3 points, not just yet. You know, try to get those easy steals, easy fast break layups parang kanina.
And so far in this around last 3 minutes of the third quarter, nakukuha na rin ng FEU yung rhythm nila eh. And even those great defensive stops as Matias, the room service, ayan na naman!
Kahit ako na fake ako dun, kala ko ililayup ni Matias yun, ay pinasa pala.
As FEU missing the point blank shot, Celis with the glass, and he drives hard, missing. However, he gets his own miss. 62 seconds in the fourth, Matias with the basketball. Yung pasa, mababasa. FEU, fast break attack, will miss the opportunity. Pang ilang minutes na ng FEU yan. dun sa kanilang fast break attacks. As Matias trying to milk the game clock. 40 seconds left. Tulabut drives left. Swings. The three-pointer will be the stunner of this game. Matias na naman.
Everything going right for this kid in this game. Ooh, delikado yun.
Oh, a bad slip from FEU that cost 2 players at the floor. And now, look like the FEU player is still shaken up. Si Pascual pa yun. One of those bright spots for FEU. $20 seconds left. Looks like game clock is down. And this is NU for the taking. And look like Matias, who did really well into the second half, might be the best player of our game.
And I wouldn't be surprised with the way he played offense and defense. Lahat-lahat ginawa nitong batang to.
From steals to room service deliveries into cold dagger threes. Yan lang naman yung ginawa ni Rohe Matias.